Is your check engine light on with the P0141 code showing up? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we'll break down what this code means, why it happens, and how you can fix it. What does the P0141 code mean? The P0141 code indicates a problem with the oxygen sensor heater circuit on bank 1, sensor 2. In simpler terms, some oxygen sensors have a built-in heater to quickly warm them up to their operating temperature. This helps the sensor start working efficiently right after engine startup and maintains proper performance during idling. When this heater circuit fails, the P0141 code is triggered and the check engine light turns on. Locate the bank 1 sensor to oxygen sensor. You have to figure out which side. Bank 1 is in your car. Typically bank 1 is the side where cylinder 1 is located. After that, find the catalytic converter on bank 1 and look for the downstream oxygen sensor. If you're unsure, check your vehicle's repair manual. I'll link one in the description below. There are 5 causes for this code. Number 1 is faulty oxygen sensor. The heater inside the oxygen sensor can fail, which is a common reason for the P0141 code. Number 2 is damaged wiring. If the wires leading to the sensor are torn, broken, or shorted, it can trigger this code. Number 3 is corroded connector. Rust or corrosion on the sensor connector can prevent it from working properly. Number 4 is blown heater fuse. A blown oxygen sensor heater fuse can also cause this code. This often happens if there are issues with the wiring. Number 5 is, although uncommon, a faulty engine control module (ECM) or damaged ECM wiring could also be the culprit. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one.